Hey, well, it's turning out to be a happy Monday. Oh boy, we do it all, including foam. This stuff works great underneath guitar pickups if you have some harmonics or what do you call it? A microphonic pickup. Help insulate those things. This stuff's nice and soft, flexible. Anyway, it came with the new arm and head holder needle cradle for this Pioneer. Yeah, look at this old bad boy. You know, we work on record players too, folks. I mean, if it's got electronic stuff in it, we can fix it. This is a model PL-115D, and it was missing this entire part, which is this portion. And then the needle was with the record player, but there's no needle. Unfortunately, it's a diamond needle. So we got the new replacement head, and unfortunately, the fact that the needle was busted when it came in, we weren't aware of. And so I've ordered that for our customer today. So putting this thing back together, and in a couple days, we will be receiving a new replacement needle for the record player, and we'll probably clean the cat hair off of this and polish it up a little bit and make it look nice. It's also got little flakes on it, gold dust, like the Fleetwood Mac Gold Dust Woman, something like that. Anyway, having a wonderful Monday. Ooh, it's busy down here. Oh my goodness, we got work to do. And later on today, I am going to throw a Rhodes piano. I believe it's an early 70s Rhodes piano on my bench. Yeah, I don't just work on guitars. I'll work on anything. Peace, y'all.